Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho website builder. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you embed HTML into your Zoho website builder? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to embed HTML code into your Zoho website builder anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that various tracking softwares require you to embed an HTML code onto a specific page. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho Sites account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Zoho website builder, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, you want to go ahead and choose the website that you need to embed HTML code into. For me, I just have this one website, so I'm going to click on here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to want to go into the editor. So up here on the top right, click on Edit Site. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and choose the page that you want to embed HTML code into. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and embed onto this page. Okay, generally when you are embedding HTML code, it's not going to be visible unless you're embedding a video. So in order to embed code into one of your Zoho website builder pages, you're going to click on this blue icon here on the top left. It looks like a plus icon, and then click on Element. All right, once you do that, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you're going to look for this button right here called Embed iframe. So you're just going to grab it and then just drag it on over to wherever you want to embed the code. So for example, we'll put it over him. And again, usually the code's not going to be visible, but for me, I'm going to go ahead and embed HTML code from a YouTube video, and that way you can see where the code shows up. So once you have your HTML code, you're just going to paste it right into here. Once you pasted it in, click on OK, and a quick second later, you can see that the embed code is here. So again, this is visible because it's an HTML embed code for a YouTube video, but generally if you are adding tracking software, it's not going to be visible. And once you've added in the code, you're not quite finished until you click on the publish button here on the top right. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the changes have been published. So now my HTML code will be firing anytime somebody ends up on that particular page. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to embed HTML code into your Zoho website builder, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.